Good morning, children. Today we are going to do dictation of bird's bath. Now you can see the topic bird's bath. Now I want to explain you one thing through bird's bath is that bird's bath means चिड़ियों का नहाना. चिड़ियों का. Man's purse or mother's wallet or father's laptop. When you put फादर्स लैपटॉप, पापा का लैपटॉप, तो हमने क्या किया, फादर के बाद जो एस आया उसके बीच में हमने कॉमा लगाया. सो दैट बिकम्स अपोस्ट्रोफी. अपोस्ट्रोफी मीन्स व्हेन यू पुट अपोस्ट्रोफी दैट मीन्स वो चीज़ किसी की चीज़ के बारे में हम बता रहे हैं. जैसे कि चिड़ियों का नहाना, पापा का मोबाइल, मम्मी का मेकअप, मदर्स मेकअप. तो उस केस में क्या होगा, मदर्स एस और मदर के बीच में जो कॉमा होगा उसमें अपोस्ट्रोफी लगेगा. अब इस केस में बर्ड्स बहुत सारे हैं ना, और बर्ड्स का नहाना है तो इसीलिए अपोस्ट्रोफी कहाँ पे आया, बर्ड्स के बाद आया है. अगर सिंगल बर्ड का नहाना होता, चिड़िया का नहाना होता, तो फिर अपोस्ट्रोफी कहाँ आता, डी और एस के बिटवीन में, बीच में. So this is what I want to explain about apostrophe. This is a small grammar thing which I have explained you. That bird's bath means चिड़ियों का नहाना. अब apostrophe जो कॉमा है वो एस के बाद में आया है. Now I am going to speak some words. I'll dictate some words to you which you have to write it on every dot in your class for copy. You make a class for copy, write bird's bath like this, write down dictation, and you will write the dictation when I'll speak the word, when I'll dictate the word. And I will dictate the word only 3 times, and you will have to write it without looking in the book or in the previous video or in your copy. Okay? So this is the dictation that we are doing. So the first word which I want to speak is pebbles. Pebble. Just listen to me carefully. Pebble. So there is peb also, there is bull also. So what will be double? You should be knowing. And pebbles means small white color stones. In our garden we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles neatly laid. Lined with pebbles neatly laid. They are, all those small pebbles are lined. Line में है, lined. और वो neatly मतलब बिल्कुल सफाई से neatly laid है. laid मतलब बिछाए गए हैं, रखे गए हैं. What is the past tense of lay? Laid. The hen lays eggs. The hen laid eggs. So what is the past tense of lay? Laid. So the second word is laid. जैसे made वैसे laid. Now what will be the spelling of laid? You should be knowing. So the first word was pebbles. Pebbles. The second word is laid. Have you written laid? The third word is cluster. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Cluster, very easy word. K-L-S. Is the sound of U. So those children, those who are new, they should be knowing these phonetics, that U का sound A होता है. जैसे कि U for umbrella, U for up, U for underwear, U for uncle chips. So U का sound क्या है, A. So मैंने क्या बोला, K-L-S cluster. टर की आवाज क्या होगी, टर. जैसे कि फादर में दर होता है, अर होता है, वैसे ही क्लस्टर में cluster. So what do you mean by cluster? Cluster means gather close together. When you don't cluster around me. The teacher tells the children, when you come to school and when you just rush to your teacher to get your copies checked, teacher sometimes tell, don't cluster around me. मेरे आसपास झुंड मत बनाओ. Don't cluster around me. Okay? K, L, A, S, T, E, R, cluster. Now the fourth word is, when the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Now what do you mean by brink? Brink means edge. Brink means edge. So the fourth word is brink. So at the fourth dot you have to write brink. It's very easy. Just like drink, you have to write brink. Now the fifth word would be, never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Flutter. Flutter means पंख को फड़फड़ाना. Flutter. पहले फ ल अ ट flut, t e r टर. Flutter. लिखिए flutter. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Flutter is the fifth word. Then they splash and splash and splash. What do? They splash. Now, what do you do in the swimming pool in the school when it is now that you are not coming to school? When you were in the school, you used to come for the swimming pool. So what do you used to do? You used to splash. अपने हाथ पैर जोर से मारते थे. पानी को splash करते थे. Splash, splash, splash. Even the birds do the same thing in their little pool. They splash. Then they splash and splash and splash, spattering little showers bright. What do? They splatter. फेंकते हैं. किसको फेंकते हैं? पानी के drops को फेंकते हैं. When you splash and splash in the water comes out or the water comes down. Splatter. Splatter. First you have to write down spatter. Spattering. Spat. Supper at a spat. Then spattering. Spattering little showers bright. So spattering is the sixth word. Now after flutter it is spattering. All around till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Now next word is sweetly. Very easy. Seventh word is sweetly. 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 Now what was your first word? The first word was pebbles. Second word was laid. Third word was cluster. Fourth was brink. Fifth was flutter. And sixth was spattering. And seventh was sweetly. Eighth was very easy. Delight means happy. Now, what is the spelling of light? You all know. You have to put D-E in the front, in the beginning. So it becomes delight. D-E, light. And what will be the next word? Number 9. Number 9 will be, very easy. I'll give you a very easy word. 9th, you can always write garden. Because in the garden the robins are playing, no? And the 10th word is robin. Robin is a bird. Did you see the video of the robin which I showed you? That it has blue eggs. This is the only bird which has blue eggs. Yes, children. After this dictation of only 10 words, you have to do this in your class. I think this you have done. But if you have not done, you have to just tick mark the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. You have to do it in your copy. The little pool is laid with colorful sand and pebbles, neatly with pebbles or with small pieces of marble. So what will be the answer? Colorful तो वो नहीं है, small pieces of marble भी नहीं है. It is neatly with pebbles. You have to tick mark the middle one. The water of the little pool is tasty and clear, bright and fresh, or clean and cool? It is. Yes, tell me if you have learned the poem. In our garden we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water clean and cool. So it will be cool. And now you can make a small robin like this also in your copy. Robins are of different colors. Now this robin has red and black color. So after this you have to do the next C, which will be coming in the picture now, and that would be did you see the video with the blue eggs? Fine. If you have seen the video, I am really delighted. You can make a small nest also with this robin, and there you can show some blue color eggs in the nest. Okay? Yes. After B you have C. The robins gather round the pool. When the sun is warm and bright, they are tired of flying, or they long for rest. When the sun shines warm and high. So it will be the correct one. When the sun is warm and bright and high, same. C is the first one. And then the birds enjoy drinking the cool refreshing water, splashing about in the water of the pool, or sitting on the brink of the pool. When they splash and splash and splash in the water. You also enjoy when you splash and splash in the pool. So when they do splashing in the water, then they enjoy. So this is A, B, C and D, which you have to do it in your class for copies. And another question which you have to do with this is complete this sentence in your own words. The poet seems to be very fond of birds because, why is he fond of birds? Because he has made a pretty little pool in his garden for the birds to enjoy, to cool down, to rest, to have water, to enjoy with their friends, with their birds. Because if they have a pool in the garden, then definitely the birds enjoy. He cares for the bird. He loves to see the birds in his garden. That's why he has made and that's why the poet seems to be very fond of birds. Because why is he fond of birds? Because he has made how you can say he is fond of birds? Because he has made a small pool in his garden. Okay, children, thank you so much. This will be a little lengthier class work for you, but I don't think it will take much time. But when you do dictation, please learn the words first, and I have explained you the words so well. If you listen to the video, it will be very easy for you to do the dictation and do these questions. And I hope till now all the children would be knowing the poem in tune. So if you learn the poem in tune, please send your videos with a small pool in your beside you, and with a small robin in your hand. I will really enjoy that. Thank you so much. Goodbye.